Let us move to the part 2 of the program today. It is the Golden Brand Plan Contest Award winners. So let me share the screen and I will invite Dr. Sunil Deshpande also. Let me invite him. Hi, hello, Dr. Sunil.
Yeah, good evening to all. Good evening, Dr. Swati, and good evening, Professor Vivek. Am I audible?
Yes, Dr. Sunil, now I invite you to announce the winners of this particular Golden Brand Plan contest. Please do the formalities, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Actually, when Professor Vivek shared the agenda of today's program with me, and after reading the agenda and going through the agenda, the first comment which actually I made was that it is something like a learning and development feast. And the 2 days have actually transpired and they reflect the same. So it was really wonderful to listen to many of the eminent dignitaries associated with the pharmaceutical industry. They have been associated with the brands which are very familiar, like Asiloc or Becosules or Revital. And actually, these have become almost like a, if not OTC, but at least OTX category. And it is really wonderful to know from those professionals, those who have been associated with those brands. So it actually was really a learning feast. I have been given 2 jobs today. That's what Professor Vivek as well as Dr. Swati said. The first one is announcing the Golden Plan contest, the brand plan contest. And the second one is to say a few words. Probably, I thought perhaps I would first take up the request of Dr. Swati, because the contestants must have been eagerly waiting throughout the day for this moment to come, for this moment to arrive. So this was actually a brand plan contest, and the details had already been shared with all the contestants. And before actually I announce the names of the winners, let me do the honors of announcing the names of the jury who were associated with making this decision of selecting the winners. The first one is Mr. Kamrul Ahmed, Director Marketing from Square Pharma, Dhaka in Bangladesh. Dr. Muhammad Mujahidil Islam, Director Marketing from SKF Pharma, Dhaka, Bangladesh. The third jury, Dr. Manthan Janodia, Professor and Head Pharmacy Management, Manipal. The fourth, Dr. Sandeep Narula, Professor and Assistant Dean, IIHMR University, Jaipur, India. And Mr. Pawan Kulkarni, General Manager Strategy at JB Chemicals, Mumbai. So these have been the eminent jury, eminent professionals, those who have done the honors of selecting the names of the winners. As announced, there were 2 prizes, and there have also been 2 merit certificates. So I'm starting with the merit certificates first, and the names of the winners of the merit certificates are Mr. Mayur Shinde for Vironity.
First of all, I would like to thank the Pharmastate.
Yes, you're audible.
Yes, sir. Vivek sir, Swati ma'am, to give such opportunity to be a part of Golden Brand Plan contest. It gave me opportunity to actually leverage my curriculum skill, knowledge, and build a brand plan. Actually, I am the student of Pigeon Healthcare Management program. So it actually helped me to learn more things It was a great experience, and thank you for such opportunities, and looking for more such opportunities in the future. And I'm thoroughly happy for winning this contest. And thank you. Thank you for opportunity. Yeah.
Well done, Mayur, and heartiest congratulations to you from all of us.
Thank you, sir.
And wish you all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
We move to the second winner of the merit certificate, and the winner of the second merit certificate is Ms. Neelam. Congratulations, Neelam.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, Vivek sir and Swati ma'am, for giving this excellent opportunity. And I would like all the speaker for giving us such an awesome case study related session, which have really leveraged academics. So in academic, we only get an example of FMCG, but this session had really blown our mind and we get to know a lot of things. So thank you so much for selecting us for the merit session, and I'm feeling good. I'm feeling proud of ourselves. Thank you.
Well done,
Neelam, and heartiest congratulations from all of us over here, and wish you all the best for all success in your career ahead.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay, so let's move ahead with respect to the prize winners of the Golden Brand Plan contest, and we move to the second prize, the second category, and I'm privileged to announce the names of the winners in the second category, and hold your breath. There are 3 winners over here in the second category. There are 3 winners. I'm sure you are there in the audience, and let's see who is the first one. And the first winner for the second prize is Mr. Sachin K.
Mr. Sachin Katare. If he is there, please.
I don't think he is there. He is not in the list. Yeah.
Okay. The second winner is Mr. Bala. The second winner, the runner-up for the second prize is Mr. Bala.
Mr. Bala Krishnan.
Yeah.
Bala Krishnan doesn't seem to be there.
Okay.
We'll
let them know.
Okay. The third runner-up for the second prize is Miss Benazir.
Mr. Benazir, are you there?
Mr. Benazir.
Mr. Banerjee. So I'm Mr. Banerjee.
He's there. If he can just start his video.
Mr. Benazir, please come.
He is there. Yes, I'm just adding him to Spotlight. Yeah, wow.
Okay.
Yes, he's there.
Congratulations, Mr. Benazir.
Thank you very much. Actually, convey my heartiest thanks to my respected guru, Mr. Vivek Attangari, Dr. Swati, and my respected mentor of Square Pharma, Mr. Ahmed Kamrul Alam, Director Marketing, and all the staffs, those who have given me inspiration to participate in this program. And thank you very much.
Well done. Heartiest congratulations, and wish you all the best for your future.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations, Benazir.
Okay. So, of course, just to mention, the runner-up is the recipient of a silver coin along with 3 books which have been authored by Professor Vivek, and along with a merit certificate. So that's something which is for the runners-up. For the second prize, we move up to the first prize winner of the Golden Brand Plan contest. And who is it? The first prize winner gets a Tanish gold coin with 3 books authored by Professor Vivek and a merit certificate. So the first prize winner of this year's 2021 World Pharma Brand Managers Day Golden Brand Plan contest is... Am I audible?
Yes.
is Mr. Bhadraj.
Okay.
Mr. Bhadraj. Mr. Bhadraj,
Yes, sir.
heartiest congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It was like I used to sit in the back bench, then coming to the front, then going to the stage. So this was a part of a long process of journey. It is good to see the stalwarts of the industry who are actually speaking from the scratch how they did it. And I do not have a background in this brand management. For the past 4 years, I'm working for a company known as Akesis Pharma. So they had given me the opportunity to do from the scratch, and all the guidance was given by my boss, Mrs. Sridhar, who used to guide me in doing this. This particular brand plan competition, which actually came in an accident. So I just followed that, and I never expected that I'd be qualifying for this. And the accident was that I actually read one of the comments of Mr. Vivek's book in an Amazon site. From there, I actually followed him and got to this. And thank you for all the guidance, and thank you for all the way it has been done. It has been a really professional way they conducted this. Thanks to all for such a lovely, something like a brand as well as a man management kind of a profile. Thank you.
Mr. Bhadraj, actually, what you said is for the last 4 years, whatever you were doing,
I was basically
but you were on the right track.
Yeah,
and this award is a testimony to that.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Congratulations, Mr. Bhadraj, and
well done.
Thank you for
and wish you all the best for your future.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
All your prizes will reach you very soon.
Fine, sir.
And let's have the celebration video for
Yes.
the participants.